Yeah, I've been doing a lot of thinking.
Really? About what?
Dirty diapers. You know, you never think you're going to miss stuff like that. You know, one minute you have these babies, and you have to do everything for them, and they need you for everything, and the next minute you turn around and they don't need you at all. You know, and I was thinking about the crying and the waking up in the middle of the night and all those disgusting diapers. There's a whole lot of good things that go along with that.
I'm really sorry, Rox.
Man, I was psyched about being that baby's grandma. And that skank, Stacy, she had to lie to Rex about him being the father.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, she's not exactly an amateur.
Oh, it doesn't. I think Rex is lucky. He's not going to have to deal with that slut anymore. What's that expression? Good riddance to bad relish?
Yeah, something like that.
I feel sorry for the real father. Because he's in for a real crude awakening.
Oh, come on, you were just working. Rex! Rex!
Skylar!
Stacy! Stacy! Oh my God! Oh my God, are you okay? What are you doing here? Mitch.
Get the hell away from her, Lawrence! I'd back off.
If I were you, Lieutenant, unless you want more innocent blood on your hands.
We'll look somewhere else. Oh, how hard can it be to find my niece and her psycho father? I don't care. I don't care. Oh, you know what? You're fired.
How many is that?
I don't know. I'll ask Cam.
You know, you really didn't have to walk us all the way to the door.
Oh, what do you mean? It's snowing out.
In the hallway?
No, I'm a dad. I just feel like I have to make sure you get home okay.
And that's all.
What else would it be?
Maybe you were hoping to see Danny?
Well, like I said, I am a dad.
I don't care about the weather. Get a chopper in the air. Oh, come on. You're the National Guard, for God's sake.
Is Cole all right?
Oh, yes, Todd's taking him and Star home.
Because one of my daughters has been abducted, and the other one got into an accident trying to look for her on Lantano Mountain. I already told you that. Please, they're in grave danger.
He has to make it sound worse than it is.
Unfortunately, he's not exaggerating.
I know, but like Clint said, as much as twisted as Mitch is, he loves Jessica. He's not going to hurt her.
What about Natalie?
Well, Natalie, she'll be fine.
Why are you so sure?
Because she's with John, and John would never let anything happen to her.
Rex! Rex!
Skylar, are you okay?
Rex?
Fish and I found your car down the mountain. What happened? I have to get out of here.
Whoa, hey, come on. No, stop. You are hurt.
I have to keep going. I have to get to Jeezy.
Mitch. Crazy nurse. How did you get here? Why are you not in the hospital? They told me. Who did? The mayor. The mayor? You mean Dorian Lord? They wanted my baby. I didn't let him have it. Okay. We just need to get you out of here. Can you walk? No. I can't. All right, we can do this. Skylar, where are you when I need you?
Go! Jeezy needs to know. No, what? Is she okay? She's at Vicky Banks' cabin.
Then she's fine.
No, she needs. I have to tell her.
Skylar, I need to find Stacy, okay? She's in serious danger.
Come on. We have to get you to a hospital. The road is this way. We should be able to flag down a snowplow or something. No. Come on. Maybe we could even find Skylar. I don't care. Yes, he was driving up here to meet me. He said he had something important to tell me about the baby.
What did he say? Did he make it?
I think he got in a car accident. Come on.
What's wrong with Stacy? And how come you're here? Why aren't you at the hospital?
Because Mitch kidnapped Stacy and brought her up here somewhere.
What? How could you let that happen, Rex?
Don't worry about Sky.
Why not? Did you see him?
I saw a car. Maybe I don't know if it was him.
Where? Stacy, where did you see the car?
Ah, shut up. Wait, what was that? Did you hear that?
You were supposed to protect Stacy and the baby. Yeah, well, I'm trying to protect her now, okay? Mitch just got her up here somewhere. Well, fine. I'll help you look for her.
Yeah, thanks. I can manage.
Rex, you have two choices, okay? You can get caught up here in a blizzard while Mitch does God knows what to Stacy and the baby, or you can let me help you look for her.
What about Gigi? I thought you had to get her to tell her something.
It's gonna have to wait. What's that sound?
What did you do to her?
Nothing compared to what I will do if you don't drop that gun. A full dose of this will kill her.
I thought you loved your daughter.
I do. Infinitely.
You'd risk killing her.
Well, the afterlife is eternal and certainly preferable to even the shortest existence with a simian like you.
You won't do it. Not to your own blood.
I have no idea what I will or won't do.
You're right. I don't.
Thanks. I'm sorry about that, Dad.
It's okay.
Look, do you want a drink or something?
Oh, no, I should get going back home to Taya. That is, if she's still there.
Why wouldn't she be?
So I have no idea where we stand.
If you don't get that search party off their asses and up that mountain, heads are gonna roll.
Breathe, okay? You can't help Jessica if you're giving yourself a heart attack.
Well, it's not just Jessica I'm worried about. Natalie, too.